In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a ClickUp API key. This is an essential skill if you're looking to integrate ClickUp with other applications or automate some of your workflows. So, let's jump right in and walk through this process together. To get started, you'll first want to ensure that you are logged into the correct ClickUp account. This might seem straightforward, but it's crucial to verify you're accessing the right workspace, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Now, once you're in, take a look at the upper left corner of your screen. There, you should notice your workspace name. Click on that, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. It's in these settings where the magic happens, so go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll need to locate the ClickUp API section. Take your time to explore the settings if you haven't before. There's a lot under the hood that might enhance your use of ClickUp. When you find the ClickUp API option, go ahead and click on it. Now comes the exciting part, creating your app. Click on Create an App, and you'll be prompted to customize some aspects of it. Think about how you want your app configured, as this will be important for its functionality and integration. You have the option to set up a redirect URL, which can be particularly useful if you're planning to connect your app with external services, allowing for seamless data exchange. Make sure to fill in any required fields to avoid any hitches later on. Once you have everything set up the way you want, finalize your settings, and just like that, you'll receive your client ID and client secret key. These pieces of information are vital. They're essentially your tickets to connecting your ClickUp workspace with other apps and services. However, a word of caution, handle these keys with care. Only share them with trusted apps or people, as they grant access to your ClickUp data. After copying your client ID and client secret key, you can now integrate them into other applications. This might involve entering these credentials into the settings of the other app you're working to integrate. The exact process will depend on the application, but with these two keys, you're well equipped to proceed. And that's it. You now know how to generate a ClickUp API key. With these keys, you're ready to expand what ClickUp can do for you. Whether you're automating tasks, creating custom reports, or building a unique application, the possibilities are endless. Thank you for following along, and happy creating.